Looking in our area, we've had a lot of storms day after day in our area. Thank goodness it doesn't seem like a heat wave is hitting us anytime soon though, right, Rob?
No, that's one of the big perks to having all this gray, the gloomy, and all the showers, right? It helps to keep the temperatures down. I think today, if we get a few breaks in some of those clouds and showers, we'll watch those numbers get a little bit warmer. Right now, most of the activity we're seeing is to the south and east, down towards Cross City, parts of Dixie County, and over I-75 near Gainesville. Now, there are still some showers on I-75 up towards Lake City, but once you get a little bit more north, we even saw some of those showers from Valdosta through Adel and Tifton, and there's very little left right now. Even some of those sprinkles that were around Highway 319 between Thomasville and Moultrie, they're thinning out. So improving conditions if you're looking for a break from all these showers and storms. Maybe you heard some of the thunder or saw some of the lightning in the overnight period, and over the past 24 hours there's been some spots with a whole bunch of rain. All the green areas, these are the radar estimates over the past 24 hours. That's generally less than an inch. Where we see the blue spots, now that's maybe 1 to 3 inches, and we've got some areas maybe over parts of Wakulla County, more in parts of Taylor and Dixie County where it's purple, and that's maybe 3, 4, 5 inches worth of rain. Officially, the Tallahassee airport between like 1/4 and 1/3 of an inch, one of the smallest amounts I've seen. And believe it or not, we're still behind normal with rainfall for the month and for the year, at least officially we are. It's 74 right now in Tallahassee. It's 73 degrees in Thomasville and in Valdosta. We got the dew points almost the same as the air temperatures. That's why it feels the way it does outside, so humid. That's not going to change. It's going to be icky, sticky, gross all day today. I see 76 at Camilla, but just 66 in Blakely. Most areas between like 70 and 75. The breeze is trying to mix things up and move things around, although that breeze is not super strong out of the south or southwest, generally less than 6 or 7 miles per hour. So we've got some spots like in Marianna where the visibility is down to 1/4 mile. In Cross City, it's down at 2 miles, but that's got more to do with the rain than the fog. Now, I do think fog is going to be an issue the next couple of mornings. Today, a little different setup. We don't have that added energy set to move on in here, so I think we get a little break in the showers. There probably will still be a few this afternoon, but not like we've been seeing. Tomorrow, a much better chance for more persistent showers again, and the threat for dangerous weather is a bit smaller over these next couple of days, which is good to talk about. Now, Tropical Storm Brett, it's out there. It's still expected to get a little stronger over the next couple of days, and all the indications are it's going to stay on that southern route towards the Windward and Leeward Islands. From there, we'll watch and see where it goes. Here's what it looks like on the satellite imagery. Certainly looks pretty well organized and healthy. The one behind it, it's got some moments where there's some pretty vigorous convection. We'll see if that can continue to develop. The tropical outlook for that is up to about a 70% chance over the next 5 to 7 days for it to develop. And remember, Cindy would be the next name on the list if it ever gets that far. We've got our eyes on all of it. None of that's going to impact our weather anytime soon, if ever, but it's certainly something to keep our eyes on. Winds on the Gulf today out of the southwest, 12 to 22, breezy enough. If you want to operate the small craft, use some caution. I've got the rain chances like 50-50, highest east. Those chances are starting to slim down. There will be some showers this afternoon, but nothing like we had yesterday. Let's shoot for 90 for a high. Tonight, more clouds and more muggy. I think our Wednesday is the wet one. Thursday, we start to thin those showers back out, and with a little bit of luck, maybe we can start to snap out of this weather rut starting this weekend.